for bestowing your grace on living entities. And there is no need for expressing our grief before you. Why? Because you know everything. You're omniscient. Why? Because you remain in all the living entities as omnipotent Lord. It is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. I engulf the entire world, entire universe in one ansh, one small entity. So no one can cover him, engulf him. He is so huge that no one can engulf him, no one can cover him. No one. He is so huge that no one can cover him. So I pay my respectful obeisances to him. Those who are attached to their mind, family, strength, for them you are unattainable. But those who have given up sense objects and in their hearts are remembering you, are in their hearts meditating on you, I pay my respectful obeisances to such you. Vishnu Chakravarti gives comments on this. You in this material world are active, but you never associate with the material qualities, material modes. But the liberated souls meditate, think of you in their hearts. The liberated souls think of you in their hearts. Your soul is transcendental.
इसलिए हम लोगों का जो अपराध इनका जानकर उनका उचित फल देने के लिए स्मृति प्रकट।
So by recognizing our offenses, you appear to give us the fruits of our offenses. For the cruel, you punish, and for the nice people, you maintain them. For the cruel, you punish. For the nice people, you maintain them nicely. Those religion economic development,
इसका जो लोग चाहता है उसमें दिख दे
sensual enjoyment, and liberation. Those who want all these four, you give them all these things. Whoever desires whatever. Those who want religion, those who want science subjects, those who want economic development, those who want liberation, they get they get these things whenever they want it from the Supreme Lord. Those who yearn for economic development, when they get money, riches, they think that Lord, this is the Lord's grace. This is the Lord's actual grace. In 1956, there was a cloth merchant near the railway station. The name of the cloth shop was Vishnu Priya Vastralaya. So I went there. They welcomed me. Later, he said that the glories of Nam Sankirtan I have personally experienced. How did he personally experience the glories of Nam Sankirtan? He was the wholesale dealer. He was not a retailer. Those who used to buy from him, used to pay him. Now the mill owners used to come to him because they needed to be paid. So for 24 hours, organized 24 hours Sankirtan, and then he had to pay, and immediately he got a lot of money so that he could pay comfortably. He says, I have got money because of the Nam Sankirtan, effect of the Nam Sankirtan. So I have personally experienced the glories of Nam Sankirtan. If a person desires money from me or anything else from me, I give him, but I keep the devotional, the bhakti hiding with me, as hidden with me. Those who are straightforward and nice devotees, I do not give these things to him, and I give him my own Charanamrit, and I dispel the desires for sense objects in their hearts, and I give them my Charanamrit. They are fools, they do not know what they are asking for, but I am not foolish, I am knowledgeable, so I give them my own Charanamrit and make them forget their desires. So Dhruva went to get the kingdom of his father, but when Lord glorified himself, when the Lord came in front of him, so he asked Dhruva for any benediction. Lord said that, have you forgotten why you started your austerities? Dhruva said, I had come here to get the kingdom, but I have got you. By attaining you, I no longer desire any riches. Lord said, I am not money. You have got me, but I am not money. I am not the kingdom. Ask for something. He said, Dhruva said, you are even unattainable to demigods. different sages also.
बोले मेरा
They
बेटा
were, what is the?
मैं ढूंढ रहा था शीशा को
I was searching for glass.
चप करता है
Why? Because it was shining from the sun rays.
लेकिन मुझको
But I have
नहीं
attained
मिल गया
a money, a pearl.
तो ऐसा कोई मूर्ख है
Is there such a foolish person that who will give up a pearl
ये जो मिल गया
for a rotten glass?
इसीलिए ये स्वामी मैं गुजार हो गया
So by attaining you, I have been completely satisfied. I do not want any benedictions.
क्यों देता नहीं क्यों
Why does he not give when
जीव का संबंध नित्य
the relationship of living entity to Supreme Lord is eternal? There is no relationship with demigod.
जो मांगोगे वो दे दे
So whatever demigods desire, Lord gives comfortably.
कितना मिसाल लगे
How many examples? Sudakshin worshipped Shiva. He was the king of Kashi. He asked for a benediction that I want to burn the whole Dwarika Puri. You give me such benediction. Shiva said, okay, you burn. I will go after you. Now Sudarshan Chakra got to know this, came to know about this.
काशी को जला
Sudarshan instead burned the whole Kashi.
सुदक्षिण
Shiv and Sudakshin started fighting with Sudarshan Chakra. But can they fight? In the last, Shiva begged forgiveness. Oh Prabhu, you have assigned the duty of Tamagun, mode of ignorance on me. You kindly forgive me. So kindly give me a place, a shelter. Then he was sent to Bhuvaneshwar. The present times Bhuvaneshwar. He was sent there. So the offerings to Lord Shiva there is the prasad of Ananta Shesh, Lord Anantas. Shiv has to accept the prasad of Ananta Dev. If he does not accept, it is an offense. Or if he accepts directly, then he will become a dog. Savitri cursed Shiva, Brahma's wife. When Brahma organized sacrifices in Pushkar, then Shastri will perform yajna. His wife Savitri got a little delay in coming. Shiva instructed you marry again and perform sacrifices. So a cowherd girl was married to him. And when the sacrifices started, the yajna started, then Brahma's wife appeared, came and was very angry, very furious with everything and cursed Shiva, that is, will be cut off. Yoni will be cut off and it will become as a stone. And Gayatri when the ling was cut and it was told to turn to a stone, but Gayatri gave a benediction that if someone offers water on that stone, he will get whatever he desires. Shiva's name is Ashutosh. His very quickly satisfied.
नहीं होगा उसको देंगे.
Whether it is good for you or not good for you, he will immediately give you something.
जिसका सिर पे हाथ रखूंगा.
There was another Bhasmasur. He gave a benediction that whoever he puts a hand on, he immediately turns to ashes. Bhasmasur wanted to test it, so he wanted to keep his hand on Shiva. So Shiva immediately started running. So Brahman, Lord, appeared as a Brahman before him and asked him, "Why are you running?" He says, "Why are you running after him?" He says, "He gave me a benediction that whoever I touch will turn to ashes. So I need to testify." The Lord said, "Don't you have your own hand? Test it here only." He immediately put his hand there and he himself turned to ashes. So thus he was named Bhasmasur. So did he think that it will be auspicious for him or not, good for him or not? But the Lord cannot give such benedictions to his devotees.
उनका पूर्वत्व ग्रहण करने के लिए इरादा देगा. मांगने से भी देगा सब कुछ. इसलिए इनका चिकित्सा विद्वान आरोग्य से होने के लिए उनको श्रेष्ठ